Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and good. Yes, in previous class, we completed our third lesson for third class, term 1. Third lesson we completed. Today, we will discuss about let us revise and some objective bits. Yes, what is our lesson name? Third lesson, parts of a plant. Let us revise. The shoot system of a plant has different parts such as stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. So we have learned already in the lesson, no, what is a shoot system and what is a root system. Root system is nothing but the parts which are growing under the soil, it is called as a root system. The parts which are growing above the soil, that is called as a shoot systems. What it includes, the shoot system will have an different parts like an stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. All these are an shoot system. There are two types of roots. How many types of roots? Tap roots and fibrous roots. Roots fix the plant to the soil. So roots fix the plant is called as a tap roots. Root will completely hold the soil tightly. It isn't fixed completely to the soil. Some underground stems such as ginger and potato store food. Like in some underground in previous class I told now about in stems ginger and potato what they will do means they store the food in their underground stems only. Green leaves make food for the plant. What the green leaves are doing, they are making the food for the plant. Most flowers grow into fruits. What the flowers are going into fruits. Most fruits have seeds inside them. Most fruits will have seeds inside them. Next here, write true or false. Okay, the shoot system grows below the ground. The shoot system is growing below the ground or above the ground? Above the ground. That is why it is false. The stem supports the branches and leaves. The stem is supporting the branches and the leaves is no. That's why it is true. The roots of a sugarcane plant store food. What the roots of the sugarcane plant is doing? They are storing the food or not? No, they are not storing the food on the roots. That is why it is false. The flat and broad part of a leaf is called as lamina. The flat and the broad part, that is called as lamina. It is true. A seed has fruit inside it. A seed has fruits? No. It having fruits? No. The baby plant will grow. That's why it is false. Next, name any two plants which tap roots. Have tap roots. Which plants will have the tap roots? Carrot, beans. These two plants having the tap roots. And fibrous roots. Which plants will having the fibrous roots? Wheat plant having the many roots, and rice also having the many roots. Store food in their roots. What are the plants that are storing food in their roots? Means carrot and radish. Store food in their stems. What are the plants that are storing food in their stems? Means potato and ginger. Store food in their leaves. Which plants are storing food in their leaves? Means mint and cabbage. Next here, fun to do. Read the clues and solve this crossword puzzle. We have to solve the puzzle here. Here across. Makes a food for the plant. What it is in lesson already we learned. What makes the food for the plant? Leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. Next, down. Changes into an fruit. What changes into an fruit? Flower is changing into an F-L-O-W-E-R. This flower is changing into fruit. Next, third one. What it is? Carries water, fixes the plant into the soil. Where the plant is fixing? Under the soil. What is that? Roots. R-O-O-T. Root. Next, fourth one, carries water from the roots to the leaves. What is carrying? Stem is carrying water from the roots. Next, fourth one down, grows into a plant. What is growing into a plant? Shoots are seed is growing into a plant. Okay, S-E-E-D, seed. Next, fifth one, changes into a flower. Changes into the flower. What is changing? Birds are changing into flower. So this only homework you have to write one time and send me the puzzle. Thank you. I hope you all understood the class.